Good morning, great to see everyone. Mitch Burns here. As you can tell behind me, we are at our favorite summer fundraising event, which is the Dragon Boat Race. You may have heard the horn as they're about to take off. This is our third year participating, and this is an awesome event because all of the funds go towards cancer survivors and giving back. Just want to give a huge shout out to everyone who was able to contribute, not only to the Dragon Toter boat, but also to the overall foundation. We raised more money this year than we have in the last 2 years. So looking forward to getting out there, having a great time. And again, just want to thank everyone for their help. It's been a great day here out in Beaufort, and this is our third time doing this race just for a great foundation. Again, just want to thank everybody who was able to participate, from our team to our sponsors, to our donors, to our clients who were able to make this possible, and look forward to an awesome event next year.